YouTube, man, what's going on again, man? It's your boy Prolific, aka the Prolific Trader, aka Prolific Trades, aka we back on these charts again this week, man. Look, Nasdaq been moving crazy this week. Monday's open, we had a 1,300 point down candle. All right, off of the deep seek AI news coming out of China. All right, if you're gonna be trading the Nasdaq, man, you gotta keep up with the global events, especially anything pertaining to AI. All right, DeepSeek is going to be a big disruptor to the AI and the videos and the open AI and all that good stuff. So pay attention to that. So that was the reason for that 1,300 point down candle. But look how we closed. We still got inefficient price delivery down there. Got a daily city or BISI. And then we got I had low time frame liquidity down there, but I seen that the PM session rejected. So anytime you got a big daily down candle like this, expect the next day to be an inside trading candle, especially with FMOC coming up. So right now it is it's actually officially past midnight, so it is. We got FMOC coming out later on the day, 2 p.m. So the AM session will probably be crazy choppy. So we'll just wait to the PM session. So let me show you today's move. All right, we had the huge down candle. We'll go into replay. I got on the charts around about 8:30. We did have 8:30 news. We had 8:30 news, 9:30 open, and then we had the 10 o'clock news event. So boom, let's talk our way through the trade. Hey, the first thing I do, boom, I'm gonna mark down my news events. News events. We had 8:30, 9:30 open, and then we had the 10 a.m. news event. All right, and that's just a reminder, just to keep you a heads up, just to keep you focused, man, because you can get unexpected moves off these news events. So I'll come to the markets. All right, I already put it in my head. There's no need to trade until after 10 o'clock till the news drop. We're just going to replay mode. There's nothing going on. Boom. All right, we got the 9:30 open has already occurred. Look what the 9:30 open did. 9:30 open ran intraday lows, which also be considered Asian lows. So boom, we just all we do is market intraday lows. Intraday low ran. Easy work. Look at the rejection we get off the intraday lows. So we got fair value gaps, and then we got 10 a.m. news. Once we start filling these fair value gaps to the downside, I'm already thinking buys because we didn't already trap shorts to the downside. And this is a common, typical thing that happens almost every day, especially on the 9:30 open. Normally, it's a manipulation move within it, and you're gonna see it time after time. Now, but we get big impulsive candles. All right, we already ran, and anybody who was short 9:30, their position's been ran. Look at the next target hit, 8:30 shorts. So all I'm thinking about, all right, where are our positions at within the market? All right, I got relative equal highs. All right, any straight edges in the market, hey, we want to attack. So this is the intraday high, but I'm looking at it as low time frame sell side. Or as I said, low time frame buy side. And all we doing is waiting on the 5 minute today. Today was a 5 minute day, and we just waiting on the 5 minute, waiting on the entry. Boom, we blowing through buy side. For me, this looks like a big continuation day. So I want to mark this FEG off right here. And this is how I'm talking to myself. If we continue to close above this 50% on this FEG, we're gonna look for more long. So hey, I want to target more buy side positions. This is the perfect. This is where sell stops are. All right. This is our huge down candle from Monday. All right. Look at this daily inefficiency up here to the top side. Down candle. That is more buy side right there. Buy side. What are we looking for buy side? back to the 5 minute. And then if you want to get aggressive, you can actually enter right here. So hypothetically, let's say we entered long. I want to target this 140 point move. I would leave my stops down here, and we just sit and wait for the position to play out. Boom. Came up just short. At this point, your stops to be at break even. Talking away a little bit after lunch. And notice, like, the characteristic of lunchtime, we would normally run previous positions, but all it wanted to do was trade up during the PM session today. And this was just an easy trading day. You just got to remember to talk yourself through these trades. And then pretty much for the rest of the day, we bought up and sold off a little bit to create the daily wick. Now, when we go on back to the high time frames, we got FOMC coming out later on today. Let's come up out of this. We'll come up out of this mode, yes and yes. I can already see probably overnight during London, we're going to run previous day high. I got two suspected areas for us to trade tomorrow. Huge inefficiency up to the top side because for the Monday open, we gapped down severely. We gapped down and didn't even create a wick to the top side. So look at all this open space up here. I guarantee we trade higher tomorrow. If interest rates are favorable tomorrow and Powell doesn't say nothing crazy during the FOMC press conference, hey, we could see a huge move up into these previous week highs. So one thing about it, when the news release or when that first FOMC statement, when the interest rates are released at 2 p.m., it's going to be a manipulation. You're going to see a price spike. You're going to see crazy volatility tomorrow. I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't trade it at all. There's no need to trade it. You normally get the true move around 2:30 to 3 p.m. tomorrow. So we'll be hawking the charts tomorrow late. You'll be lucky to catch an AM position or a London position, but we'll just be watching the charts in the AM sessions. Low leverage. Probably won't go use no forward positions. We'll actually probably be trading the micros tomorrow instead of trading the mini contracts for future NASDAQ contracts. But definitely big news coming out tomorrow. And then we still got jobless claims coming up Thursday. And then we have more news following Friday. So for the rest of the week, we got red folders for the rest of the week. So whenever red folder news events present themselves on the marketplace, man, you're going to see volatility and you're going to have opportunities within that. But that's it, man. We'll come back tomorrow with FOMC results. Until next time, trade smart, trade with a plan, trade like a business. It's prolific and we out.